Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute pocket book. It's an easy make, and I will show you how to create it. Inside you will have a big wide pocket where you can put your notes, your pictures, your collectibles, your stickers. Okay, let's get started to create it. We will need a rectangle piece of paper. I will use this one. Inside is in purple and outside is in this way. I will leave this part outside because it's a glitter paper. You can use a bigger piece of paper as you prefer. In order to create this pocket book, you will need to do in this way. Fold this part in this way in order to create our pocket, and then fold enough in this way. Now you will need to fold this part towards the half part here, and the same for the other part here. Now we have this sort of book, and then we will have to fold this part that we created before toward inside, and voila, here your accordion book or pocket book. In order to have our line more crisp, we will use a bone folder, and if you don't have this bone folder, you can use a butter knife or other things. Okay, so our line will be more crisp. Okay, now I suggest that you glue this part and this part. In order, you can leave it in this way, but for me it's better to put some glue in these two parts in order to close your pocket, so your notes will stay inside in a perfect way. So now that we glue together this part and then this part. Okay, to finish our pocket book, we will need to close our pocket book with a ribbon. Okay, I will use this one. We will need to create a hole here, and you can create your hole with a pair of scissors. Better to create up here, in this way. Okay, now if you want, you can do it this way. Okay, voila. Now we will use our cord here, tie a knot, and better to tie more than one. Another one, Voila. So you will have your knot. Because this is too long, we can cut a little piece. Okay, now if you want, you can add a bead. I will add this bead. It's a heart shape. No, better to use to cut this part, because this cord is quite okay. Just a second. Okay, now I add a little glue to the end part in order to slide inside in a better way. Now we will have our heart bead. I suggest that you create another knot here in order to have your bead in this place. Okay, and now you will close your pocket book in this way. Voila, your finished pocket book. It's quite nice. If you want, you can add, you can create a knot here. Here, your pocket book. They are quite nice and so easy to make. You can create in a bigger size, but they are a great way to stash your business card and other things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another paper creation. Bye bye.